So me and my mom were cleaning, right? And our fan looked disgusting. Like, it looked, when you like a banana rots. It looked like that. And that was the before, because unfortunately, I forgot to take a picture to show y'all. But this is the after. And that just blew my mind because it was so dirty. And honestly, there was like little pieces of flesh with it. Like
Paints.
Yeah, little pieces of paint because it's an old fan. And so it's just peeling apart. And it's
Show it.
it's like literally like this.
Slowly so people can see.
I know, Mom.
Mm-hmm.